3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered by water. And whether you're in it, on it, or have it coming down on you in the form of wind-driven rain, sleet, or snow, Gore-Tex gear has you covered.
I think if we can get this piece in action, I think this is whack.
Should be easy.
Yeah. I don't know what's going on here, actually. We're trying to figure out what's going on here.
This thing has seen many a massive storms.
Yes.
So, we'll see.
Yeah, there's a snug fit. Perfect.
Socks for everybody.
What up?
I've pitched a tent or two in my day.
Who you rooming with? Mark Carter. It's kind of a big deal.
I'm a big deal? Really? I never heard that.
Now the tricky part comes. We have tent.
So stoked.
We worked for that one.
Don't even have to do it for the camera. I'm legitimately high-fiving.
Oh.
Pretty far down there. Should be a nice long run.
He said he was going to be more chill today, though, so I don't know what that means.
Yeah, but now there's a camera on him.
Oh my god. So sick. Oh, there she is. Nice turns, Angel. Variable conditions. Woo! Woo!
Throw some stuff.
If I could do the Slayer with my toes, I would.
I was like 6, now you're like, and then like.
What? I mean,
Yeah, that's a cool
it's
shot.
sick. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on!
Okay, okay.
Give it up, Angel!